In this video, we will show the best gun safety humidifiers in 2020 available to buy. At number 6, DEERMA Small Dehumidifier Moisture Absorber. At number 5, Lockdown GoldenRod Dehumidifier Rod. At number 4, PEET Safekeeping Dryer and Dehumidifier for gun safes and cabinets. At number 3, Hornady 95902 Dehumidifier Canister. At number 2, Lockdown Dehumidifier Rod. At number 1, new and improved Eva-Dry E500 Renewable Mini Dehumidifier. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.